Top 4 red birds that come to bird feeders. Number 1. Northern Cardinal. Meet the superstar of bird feeders, the Northern Cardinal. Known for its vibrant red feathers and majestic crest, this bird is like the Beyoncé of the avian world. Number 2. Summer Tanager. Get ready for the bird with a summer fashion line that'll make Victoria's Secret jealous. The Summer Tanager. With its flaming red feathers, this bird is always ready for a bird walk. Number 3. Crimson Rosella. Prepare to be dazzled by the showstopper from down under, the Crimson Rosella. This bird's red and blue feathers are so fabulous they make the peacocks go green with envy. And finally, at number 4,